All right, last one that we are solving together. Now this one, your hint was this has a remainder, so it does have a remainder. So let's kind of go through this and walk through these steps. And it also has a 0 in the quotient. So let's start out. We're going to start by dividing. We're going to focus again on the first digit only. 6 divided by 3. So I'm going to multiples of 3. 6 is a multiple of 3. So I'm going to divide 6 divided by 3 is 2. So divide, check. And I'm going to put this 2 right above the 6. All right, and then next step is to multiply. Again, I put the multiplication there just so I can remember that that is multiplication. 2 times 3 is 6. And then we've multiplied. So now we are going to subtract. 6 minus 6 is 0. So I check. Is 0 smaller than 3? It is. So I can move on. And I'm going to bring down my digit. Bring down the 1. So I bring down this 1 right here. Oh, so now when I go to divide, I can see that 1 is not divisible by 3 since 1 is smaller than 3. So 1 divided by 3 is 0. So I divide, multiply, 0 times 3. 0 times 3 is 0. So I multiply, now I subtract. 1 minus 0 is 1. Check. Is 1 smaller than 3? Yes, it is. So I'm on the right track. Now I'm going to bring down the 9. I bring down the 9. So now I'm going to go back up here to my list. I'm going to start over since I still have more digits to do. 19 divided by 3. So I'm going to go to my multiples of 3. 19 is not a multiple of 3, but 18 is just under. I couldn't go to 21 because you can't do 19 minus 21, so I'm going to go to 18. So 19 divided by 3 would be 6, or 18 divided by 3 is 6. So I'm going to put a 6 up here. Okay, so I divide. Now I multiply. 6 times 3, which we just looked at, is 18. Good. So I have my multiply. Now subtract. 19 minus 18. 9 minus 8 is 1. And 1 minus 1 is 0. So I subtract and I check. Is 1 smaller than 3? Yes, it is. Is there anything else to bring down? No, there's not. So 1, it's not a beautiful 0, but it is our remainder. So now we have a remainder of 1. So now are we finished? No, we still have to check. Now I'm going to hold off on this. There's remainder. It's not part of my whole number here, or the quotient. It is part of the quotient, but it's not part of this. So I'm going to start with 206. I can't multiply that remainder, so I'm going to just leave it to the side for a second. 206 times 3. 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 1. 3 times 0 is 0, plus that 1 is 1. And 3 times 2 is 6. So we have 618. That does not match, but we still need to add in our remainder. So 618 plus 1 is 619. And that does match our dividend. So this is correct. We know our quotient is correct. So 206 with a remainder of 1. All right, go ahead. You're going to have a few problems to solve on your own. Keep plugging away.